What's up everybody, Dees here, and we are back at it again. We're going to be doing something really simple, really quick, great for kids. We're going to be doing ice cream bread. Yeah, ice cream bread, you heard it. So all you're going to need for this is soft rising flour and your favorite pint of ice cream. I'm going with the salted caramel almond from Ben & Jerry. I'm going to go ahead and add in my 1.5 cups of soft rising flour, put that into a bowl, and we're going to put our pint of ice cream in. We're going to mix it up. It's gonna come in with the consistency of almost like dough, but a little bit more sloppy or wet, and that's perfectly fine. Most important thing is you wanna grease your pan well. And once you do that, add a little bit of flour just at the bottom, just to make sure that it completely pops up. This is gonna taste similar to a sweet bread, or you can almost say a very light and sweet cake. We're gonna set our oven for 350 degrees, 45 minutes, and we are done. Enjoy, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.